Hello and thank you for your interest in the Nitro 3-wheeled rollator by Drive to Vilbus Healthcare. In order to ensure you understand how to use your new Nitro rollator, watch this short video designed to help you get to know the basic features for the rollator. First up, unfolding your Nitro. To unfold the rollator, position the Nitro upright on all three wheels. Hold each hand grip and pull outward until the Nitro rollator unlocks and opens fully. Gently push down on the locking handle located near the front wheel, where you'll hear an audible click which confirms that the folding hinge is fully engaged into the lock position. Making handle height adjustments is a breeze on the Nitro rollator. Press the red release button to adjust the hand grips to the desired height. As the handle moves, release the button. This automatically locks in the next possible height. Repeat this process until the desired height is reached. The Nitro allows you to take your goodies along with you with its convenient removable carry bag. To remove the bag, push down on the quick release tab and gently pull up on the carry bag handle. Repeat with the other side. To replace the bag, simply insert the quick release tab back into the buckle. An audible click confirms the bag is secured in place. Next up, using and locking the brakes. To apply the brakes while the Nitro rollator is moving, pull both brake levers upwards to apply the brakes. Always brake slowly and steadily. Press both lock levers down to apply the locks while the Nitro rollator is in a stationary position. Pull up the brake levers and release to release the locks. The effect of the brakes can be affected by the abrasion of the wheels. It's a good idea to regularly test the brakes. When the time comes, reference the user manual for instructions on adjusting your brakes. Your Nitro rollator features a curb assist which allows the user to move over curbs and small steps with ease. When approaching a curb, step, or transition, firmly grasp both hand grips and place your preferred foot on the corresponding side of the Nitro's curb assist. While securely grasping both hand grips, gently apply pressure to the curb assist with your preferred foot while your other foot remains firmly planted on the ground. Bring the front wheels of the rollator to a slight angled position just above the curb or threshold, pushing forward if necessary. Once at a stable position, gently release your foot from the curb assist, allowing the front wheels to rest on the curb, step, or transition. Push the rollator forward as the rear wheels approach the curb, step, or transition, and lift the rear wheels onto the curb, step, or transition. Proceed with walking once observing that all three wheels are safely past the curb, step, or transition. Drive Preserve Tech products are manufactured with an antimicrobial agent that helps to minimize the growth of bacteria, mold, and mildew on treated surfaces. Treated surfaces on your Nitro include the hand grips. Regular cleaning by hand with a damp cloth is still recommended. Do not use aggressive detergents. Finally, to fold and stow away your Nitro rollator when not in use, stand behind the rollator and pull the locking handles towards you until the folding hinge is disengaged. Push both sides of the frame together until the rollator is flat. We hope you enjoy your Nitro 3-wheeled rollator for many years to come. For your unique road ahead, make sure to check out Drive's full line of Nitro products, including the 4-wheeled version with a seat and the hybrid duet version that offers a Nitro rollator and transport wheelchair in one device. For additional safety and operational tips, please refer to the owner's manual for the Nitro 3-wheeled rollator. Thank you for choosing Drive to Vilbus Healthcare and have a great day.